In this particular video, using the while loop and the break statement, I'll try to help you understand how you can solve a problem to guess a lucky number. Let us say I give the user a hint that he needs to guess a number between 1 to 15, and let's say the lucky number is 8. But in this way, what I'm trying to do here is the user can never go wrong, because even if he starts from 1 to 15, sooner or later he's going to enter 8. So I'm going to keep bothering the user or following up with the user to enter the lucky number till he gets it correct. So what I've done is I've declared a number variable called num of the data type short. Now, since I want to allow the user to keep entering the number forever, I am going to write the while loop with the condition 1. While 1 means always true. That means the condition is never false. It's an infinite loop. But I'll show you how to come out of this infinite loop. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to ask the user enter the guess number between 1 to, let's make it like this, 1 to 15. All right, so I'm going to ask the user to enter the guess number between 1 to 15, and here what I'm doing is using scanf I am trying to read the guess number. All right, so the guess number is going to be address of number. Now once I read the number, I need to check whether the lucky number or the guess number happens to be 8. So now if the number happens to be 8, then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to simply do a break. Already in the previous discussion of the break and continue, I have told you break will simply get you out of this particular loop. So as long as the user is entering the wrong number, it will keep going in this loop, because while 1 means always true. If it was while 0, it will not even run once. The minute the user enters 8, it will come out of the loop, and that's the end of it. Or you can even print another message here. You can say printf thanks for playing the guessing game. All right, just for fun, thanks for playing the guessing game. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to run this program and then go ahead with the explanation. Let's see first if it compiles. So I'm asking enter the guess number between 1 and 15. So let's say I enter the number 3. So what it says, it asks me to re-enter the number. Let's say I enter 6. It still forces me to enter the number, because it's an infinite loop. Till I enter 8, it's not going to help me come out of this particular loop. Now let's say on the third try, I end up entering 8. Now what happens is, now you get the message that you have guessed the lucky number which happened to 8, and it gives you the message, thanks for playing the guessing game. So I need to explain a couple of points here. First is while 1 means it's an endless loop. If I put this break in comment, this program is never going to stop. It's going to run forever. Okay, even if you enter the correct number 8, you're not going to come out of the loop. So what happens is, when a minute you enter the number as 8, this condition becomes true. 8 equal to 8 becomes true, and the break is executed. Once the break is executed, this particular block gets broken and the control comes here, and it's going to print the message, thanks for playing the guessing game. So this is a simple program to show you how to play the guessing game. Now I want you to try a couple of variations on this, because then it will really make this particular program a little bit of a fun. What you can do here is, the first modification you can try to do to this code is, when the user guesses, give him a percentage number of how close he is to guessing the number. Suppose he's hit 7, then the guess he is almost 90% correct to guessing it. Suppose he hits 1, he's probably 15% correct in guessing the number. So keep giving him percentage messages telling him how close, or give him hints how close he is to printing or guessing that actual number. That's modification number 1. The second modification you can do is, suppose increase the range from 1 to 15 to 1 to 25 and change this number to 8 to something like 17 something, and ask the number to guess, and let us see in how many number of guesses the person is able to guess the correct number. Let's see if he guesses this in 5 guesses, let he guesses this in 10 guesses, or 20 guesses, and so on. So just do this modification. This is how you are going to master logic. Once you play around with things like this, your thinking skills develop, and then you will understand that programming is really simple.